Hello guys, welcome to my channel Dream Big Programming. In that we are creating complete series about Salesforce Administrator training. In that we will see from basic to creating your app and deploy that app. All that thing we will cover in upcoming videos. The basic agenda of creating this series, because when I was a fresher, that time I didn't get complete data or complete information on YouTube, because Salesforce is a new technology. It's very booming technology. I will show you how it's booming and all that thing in upcoming video. Right now we are creating our first topic, that is creating our developer account or org. I slashed that thing because fresher called that is account, but in Salesforce term it's your org. In that you can play with Salesforce, with records or dashboard and all that thing. You can create your object. Basically it's a one playground where you can create your own own application. And one advantage with Salesforce, you do not need any specific ID to create your application. It's all thing provided on web. You just need one good internet connection and web browser. Let's begin. I will show you in the upcoming video all that thing. Don't worry about that. If you have any query about related Salesforce, you can contact me. I will put my contact I will put my email ID, personal email ID. You can, if you are facing any Salesforce doubt or any Salesforce issue with programming or admin, you can contact me. Okay, let's begin. Today's our topic is how to create developer org. For that you need to visit developers.salesforce.com. Here you can, if you have account, you can log in from here. Otherwise, just click on sign up. I already filled all the information here. It's basically like a normal sign up, but here is one change. Here you never see this type username used anywhere. Means you can create username look like email. You can see here already given example name @yourcompany.com. You can create as many account you want on same email ID. You do not need to change your email ID every time, because in that so many features provided by Salesforce. Sometimes you need to create your separate org. Why you need to create separate org? I will discuss in upcoming video. Don't worry about that. If you want to make it little bit more unique, just you can put your email ID here. Just add any function or any name. The best is just add plus sign and give anything. I am just putting dev or anything. I will put pro. Okay, dev already I am using, that's why. Okay, pro. Just click on sign me up. Here you can see here there is no password you can provide right now, because after verifying you can provide your password. Let's just go to your inbox, click on verify. If you forget what user name you provided, don't worry about that. They directly send you that username to you. Just click on verify account. Verify account and give your password and one security question here. Always give. provide anything here. I'm just providing. Okay. Change password. Your password is done. Okay. It showing. It's a dashboard of. You can call it's a home page of your Salesforce. And always remember, always use Lightning Experience, because all developers going to move to Lightning Experience right now. They are not using the classic mode, which was previous window was the classic mode, and this is the Lightning. Okay, it's getting loaded. You can create more user for in or okay. This is your account, Dreambig Pro, and this is your instance of URL. It will help you in next upcoming video. Just remember that thing, how to create account. Just go on developer site and create your own account. I will upload more videos about Salesforce, how to create object and all that thing. Just apply yourself. So if you are facing any issue, just mail me or put issue in comment box. I will reply as soon as possible. Thank you guys. Okay, bye and take care. Please stay